Dear students, welcome back to another online mathematics session. In today's session, we shall discuss the remaining problems from exercise 7.10 from the chapter Integrals. Let's move on to the topic. Before start solving the questions, please make sure that you have recalled exercise 7.1 to 7.10 and also you have revised all the formulae from the chapter Integrals. Once it is cleared, then you have to start solving these questions, means questions 7 onwards. Let's begin with question number 7. Evaluate the integrals using substitution. Here the method mentioned is substitution method. Integral minus 1 to 1 dx divided by x square plus 2x plus 5. When you see the denominator, it is in quadratic form. So it is a second degree expression. So let's take this one as I is equal to integral minus 1 to 1 dx divided by x square plus 2x plus 5. Let's take it as equation number 1. And when you notice the denominator, you can see here the coefficient of x square is 1. So first thing is that you have to factorize this one by using completing square method. Completing the square method, we know since the coefficient of x square is 1, we have to take b by 2a. Here b is 2. So b by 2a. Let's calculate the value. B means 2. So 2 divided by 2a. 2 divided by 2, that is 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So 1 square we have to take and we have to add and subtract. That is the usual procedure. 1 square we know that is 1. That means 1 we have to add and subtract in this equation. But it is not necessary to take 1 and add it because there is 5. We can easily split 5 as 1 plus 4. So the required 1 we will get. So let's do that way. So integral minus 1 to 1 dx divided by x square plus 2x plus this 5 we are splitting as 1 plus 4. Why we are splitting 5 as 1 plus 4? Because we need to make it as a square. For squaring we need b by 2a, the whole square we have to add and subtract. B by 2a calculation time we have got 1 square, 1 we will get. So 1 we need to add to make it this one as a perfect square. Same time for balancing we have to subtract. It's not necessary to add and subtract because 5 carries 1 also. So we split this 5 as 1 plus 4. Now the first 3 terms when we consider, this one is in the form a plus b the whole square. So coefficient of the x square term means square root we will take, that is x, plus the third term, that is 1, square root is 1. So x plus 1 the whole square plus here the 4 is there, the last term. 4 we can write as a perfect square, that is 2 square. So denominator is in the form x plus 1 the whole square plus 2 square. Now let's take this one as x plus 1 as t, because when we observe this term, it is quite clear that it is in the form 1 divided by x square plus a square. So this whole term we can take it as x square and this one we can take it as a square. We know how to do this one directly also, but since it is mentioned as substitution method, this x plus 1 we will substitute as t. That's what we are going to do. So put x plus 1 is equal to t, then take the derivative, dx by dt is equal to derivative of t is with respect to t, that is 1. From here we need dx to calculate. So dx is equal to cross multiply to 1 into dt, that is dt. Dx is equal to dt. Then we need to change the limits also. The lower limit is minus 1, that we will take first. When x is equal to minus 1, t is equal to, just substitute here. T is equal to here. When x is equal to minus 1, just to replace x and put minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. I'm not just showing the steps here how to substitute. It's quite easy. Here x you replace and put minus 1. Plus 1 is equal to 0. The next is when x is equal to 1, the upper limit we are taking. X is equal to 1 if you substitute. Here 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So the limits we have changed, that is 0 to 2. This is the new limit. Then let's take equation number 1 and substitute. I is equal to integral minus 1 and 1, upper limit and lower limit changed, that is from 0 to 2. Integral 0 to 2, 1 divided by this term we have substituted as x plus 1 the whole square, we have substituted as t. So we can write it as t square plus 2 square. So t square plus 2 square. Now it is in the form 1 divided by a square plus x square plus a square. This one already we have identified here itself. So let's recall the formula. 1 divided by x square plus a square dx, that is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So here this it can be considered as x and this can be considered as a. If you want, just we can mention here, that is this one we can consider it as x and this one we can consider it as a. Okay, then just substitute in the formula, that is 1 by a is 2 here, so 1 by 2 tan inverse x by a. So tan inverse x is t here, so t divided by a is 2. So limits you have to apply 0 to 2. Next substitute the limits, that is 1 by 2, it is in common, just to take outside and keep. Tan inverse, first put the upper limit, that is 2 by 2 minus tan inverse 0 by 2, that is 1 by 2 into tan inverse 2 by 2, when we cancel we will get 1 minus tan inverse 0 by 2 is 0. So here tan pi by 4 is 1, we know that. So tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. Just to take tan to the right side means tan inverse 1 will be coming. Tan inverse 1 is pi by 4 and tan inverse 0 is 0. Let's substitute it. 1 by 2 into tan inverse 1 is pi by 4 minus tan inverse 0 is 0. Then 1 by 2 into pi by 4 minus 0 is pi by 4. So just to multiply it, 1 into pi, 2 into 4, 8. 0 is gone. So pi by 8 is the answer. Next we shall discuss the 8th question. Integral 1 to 2 1 by x minus 1 by 2x square into e raised to 2x dx. So when we see this question, it is quite familiar for us because we have learned a format f of t plus f dash t into e raised to t dt is e raised to t into f of t. That means a function and its derivative should be there inside the bracket and outside should be e power t. You can see here 1 by x. 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square, that is present. So function and its derivative is present here. Of course there is a 2 additional here that we can manage later. And here also same thing. Instead of e power x there is e power 2x is there. That also we can do something. Means nothing to do, just replace 2x with some other variable. So this is the format. Now let's take this one as I. Then as we have discussed before, 2x we have to replace. So just to put 2x as t. Then derivative if you take 2 into dx by derivative of x is 1, that is equal to different derivative of t with respect to x, that is dt by dx. When you cross multiply, 2 dx is equal to dt and dx is equal to dt by 2 because we need here dx. Dx is equal to dt by 2 we have got. So now we have substituted a new variable, and of course with respect to the new variable we have to find out the limits also. So the lower limit is 1 when x is equal to 1. Here you can put 1, 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is 2. Then when x is equal to 2, the upper limit, that is 2 into 2, 2 into 2 is 4. So new limits we have got 2 to 4. So let's substitute it in I is equal to integral 2 to 4. Here 1 divided by x only is there, but here 2x is equal to t we have taken. From here x we can calculate, x is equal to 2, bring to the right side, it comes as t by 2. No need to write another step, directly we can write here. So x can be replaced by t by 2 minus 1 divided by 2x square. Again x we have calculated t by 2, so x square is t by 2 the whole square. Then dx we have calculated as dt by 2. Of course e raised to 2x also replaced as e power t. So substitution you have to be careful. Here only x is there, so from here x we have calculated, that is t by 2, then substituted here x is t by 2 minus 1 divided by 2 into x square. X square is t by 2 the whole square. Then e raised to 2x, e raised to 2x replaced with t, e raised to t into dx replaced with dt by 2. Then here little work is there inside. Here denominator is t by 2, t by 2's denominator is 2. This will come to the numerator. Okay, so or else you can just do the calculation this way also. When you do it, this will be coming as 1 into this t by 2 reciprocal we have to take, that will be coming as 2 by t. Okay, 1 into 2 by t is 2 by t. So that is what it is there. Integral 2 to 4, this term will be coming as 2 by t minus, here also calculation work is there, that we will do it, that is 1 divided by, it will be coming as 2 into, when you remove the bracket it will be coming as t square divided by 4, t square by 4, and you can see here this 2 and this 4 we can cancel and it will be coming as 2. Then when we do it, 1 into reciprocal if you take here, t square by 2 is there, that will be coming as 2 divided by t square. So this is what the calculation, 2 divided by t square. So when we substitute it here, it is there 2 divided by t square into e raised to t dt by 2. Then integral 2 to 4. Now you can see here there is a 2 along with the dt in the denominator that we have got here in the first 1 by 2 into, and in these two terms there is a 2 common that we have taken outside. Then inside the bracket there is a balance, 2 outside going means 1 by t is there, minus here also 2 going outside means 1 by t square e raised to t dt. Then these 2 and these 2 we can cancel, and the balance will be integral 2 to 4 1 by t, of course only this much balance, 1 by t minus 1 by t square into e raised to t dt. Now it is quite clear that it is purely in this format, means a function that is 1 by t and its derivative 1 by t square into e raised to t dt. So it is e raised to t f of t, that is integral 2 to 4, the format we have written, that is the integral value we will write e raised to t into f of t, e raised to t, this is e raised to t into function is here 1 by t, that is e raised to t into 1 by t integral 2 to 4. And these two steps, of course it is not necessary, just for clarification purpose it is written directly. You can write here e raised to t into f of t, our e raised to t and f of t, the function is 1 by t, so e raised to t into 1 by t is e raised to t by t integral 2 to 4. Then when we substitute the limits, e raised to t is replaced with 4, that is e raised to 4 divided by 4, t value is 4, minus the lower limit, that is e raised to 2 divided by 2. What we have done is replaced this t with the upper and lower limits. 2 and 4, that is 4 LCM. Then it will be e raised to 4 minus, here denominator is 2, dividing with this common denominator 4 means you will be getting 2, so multiply here 2 e square, e raised to 4 minus 2 e square divided by 4, that is equal to, in these two terms there is e square is common, that we have to take outside e square. Then the first term e power 4 is there, e square going out means e square balance, so e square minus, second term e square is out, only 2 is balance, so e square minus 2 divided by 4. Next we shall discuss the 9th question. Both 9 and 10 questions are multiple choice questions. So the 9th question is the value of the integral 1 by 3 to 1 x minus x cube the whole power 1 by 3 by x power 4 dx is, there are 4 options, 6, 0, 3 and 4. So you have to choose the correct option, and you have to mark this question and you have to separate it from other questions, because the way we are doing this question is different from other questions from the exercise. So let's take this one as I is equal to integral 1 by 3 to 1 x minus x cube the whole power 1 by 3 by x power 4 dx. What I am going to do first is I am going to take x cube outside from these two terms. Okay, x cube outside, that is integral 1 by 3 to 1. In these two terms I am taking x cube outside. X cube I am taking outside means simply you cannot write x cube, because here there is one whole power 1 by 3 also is there, so you have to put a square bracket. Then x cube I have taken. Then from x, if I am taking x cube outside, the balance will be calculated by dividing what I have taken, that means x cube I have taken, so x divided by x cube, minus here x cube is there, fully I have taken outside, that means 1 balance. How we got 1? X cube divided by what I have taken outside, x cube by x cube, x cube by x cube is 1, the whole power 1 by 3. Okay, so this x cube also carries this power 1 by 3 divided by x power 4 dx. Once again, in these two terms I have taken x cube outside, and since x cube is outside, the first term is x, the balance will be calculated by dividing with x cube, this term divided by x cube, so x divided by x cube minus here x cube divided by x cube, x cube is I have taken outside, so x cube by x cube is 1, the whole power 1 by 3 by x power 4 dx. Then integral 1 by 3 to 1, now I split this square bracket, means this x cube I am taking along with this power, so x cube the whole power 1 by 3, then x by x cube, when you cancel there is one x common in the numerator and denominator, so this x and this 3 when we cancel it will be 2. Okay, so that we have written 2, that means numerator nothing is there, 1 balance by x square minus 1 the whole power 1 by 3 divided by denominator as it is x power 4 dx. Then integral 1 by 3 to 1, here x cube the whole power 1 by 3, when two powers are multiplying time, so you can see here 1 power the whole power, that means x power 3 the whole power 1 by 3, means you have to multiply that one into 1 by 3, that power you have to multiply. So So this 3 cancel, the balance will be only x, so that is written here x. Then this x power 2 we can take to the numerator, that comes as x power minus 2. Then the balance is minus 1, the whole power 1 by 3 by x power 4 dx as it is. Only change is here we have done little calculation, that 3 cancelled and x came, and this x power 2 we have taken to the numerator with a negative sign, x power minus 2. The rest remains the same. Then that is 1 by 3 to 1, x power minus 2 minus 1 the whole power 1 by 3. Now you can see here numerator there is a x and here there is an x power 4. So what I am going to do is this x power 4 I am taking to the numerator. So x power 4 taking to the numerator means it will be coming as x power minus 4. So x is there already, 1x along with this minus 4 also will be coming. Okay. Here x is there, this x power 4 when we go to the numerator, when we take to the numerator it comes as minus 4. So the powers we have to add, that means here power 1 is here, that means x is equal to, x power 1 minus 4 will be coming, 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So that is what it is written, x power minus 3 dx. So these are all mental calculations, that is not necessary to mention here in the steps. So that's why it is done on the right side. So label it as equation number 1. Then we will take this term x power minus 2 minus 1. This term we will be taking fully and substitute as t. Then derivative we have to take, x power n derivative is n into x power n minus 1. That means minus 2 into x power minus 2 minus 1. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. Minus 2 x power minus 3, derivative of 1 is 0 is equal to derivative of t with respect to x, that is dt by dx. Then minus 2x cube dx is equal to dt. Okay. Now let it be there. We have to find out the new limits. First, when x is equal to 1 by 3, when we put x is equal to 1 by 3, t will be here x power minus 2 minus 1. That means x is substituting with 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 the whole power minus 2 minus 1. That is equal to this 3 we can take to the numerator, it comes as 3 power minus 1. Then 3 power minus 1, this minus 2 power is there, minus 1. Okay. That is 3 power minus into minus plus, 1 into 2 is 2, 3 power 2 minus 1. So 3 power 2 is 9, 9 minus 1 is 8. Then upper limit if you take x is equal to 1, t is equal to, as per our substitution, x power minus 2 minus 1. So x is 1. So 1 power minus 2 minus 1. 1 power any quantity is 1 itself. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So the new limits 0 to 8 we have got. Equation number 1, if we substitute, I is equal to here minus 1 by 2 into integral 8 to 0 t power 1 by 3 dt. What we have done is here x power minus 2 minus 1 the whole power 1 by 3. That means x power minus 2 minus 1 we have got as t. So t power 1 by 3. This term will come as t power 1 by 3. Then here x power minus 3 dx is there. From here we will calculate that word. X power minus 3 dx when we calculate, this minus 2 will bring to the right side. That comes as minus dt by 2 or minus 1 by 2 dt. That is what it is written here, minus 1 by 2 dt. Once again, equation number 1 is this one. This term will be coming as t. So x power minus 2 minus 1 we have taken as t. So t power 1 by 3. That is written here, t power 1 by 3. That dx value, x power minus 3 dx value, that will be getting from here, x power minus 3 dx is dt by minus 2. That means minus 1 by 2 into dt. So minus 1 by 2 constant I have taken outside, dt is written here. Then minus 1 by 2 into, as we know that x power n integral, that is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So here 1 by 3 plus 1. 1 by 3 plus 1 is how much? Just we can add and check. 1 by 3 plus 1 when we add. Here 1 by 3 plus 1. 1 by 3 plus 1 when we add, it will be coming as 3 LCM. If you take 3 plus 1, 4 by 3 will be coming in the power. So that's what here it is written, t power 4 by 3 by 4 by 3. So apply the limits 8 to 0. When we apply the limit, that is minus 1 by 2 is outside, into here 4 by 3 is there in the denominator. So when we multiply it, the reciprocal, it will be coming as 3 by 4. 3 by 4 into t power 4 by 3. 4 by 3 means here t, we know that upper limit if we put 0, 0 power 4 by 3, that is 0. That minus, that lower limit is 8. So 8 power 4 by 3, that is what it is written, 8 power 4 by 3. So when we do the calculation, it is minus 1 into 3, that is minus 3 by 2 into 4. 2 into 4 is 8. And here minus sign is there, that we have taken 8 power 4 by 3. This 8 I am splitting as 2 cube. When we factorize 8, we will be getting 2 cube. So 2 cube, the whole power 4 by 3 will be coming. Then minus 3 by 8 into, here this 3 and this 3 we can cancel because we have to multiply the powers. Multiplying the power means 3 into 4 by 3 will be coming. So this 3 and this 3 will be cancelled. So minus 3 by 8 into minus 2 power 4 is the balanced. That is 3 by 8 into minus plus. 2 power 4 is 16. And this 8 and 16 we can cancel 2 times. So when we cancel 8 and 16, we can write 2 times. So the answer will be 3 into 2, that is equal to 6. So here 6 answer, that is option A. So correct option is option A. Next we shall discuss the 10th question. This is also a multiple choice question. If f of x is equal to integral 0 to x t sin t dt, then f dash x is cos x plus x sin x x cos x, sin x plus x cos x. These are the 4 options. So quite simple question here. F of x is given to us. We have to find out f dash x, means derivative if you take, we will get the answer. So f of x is equal to 0 to x t sin t dt. What you can do is just to take the derivative. F of x derivative we will write as f dash x. And here integral symbol is there, integration and the differentiation. Both are opposite to each other, cancel each other. Then we'll be getting as t sin t with the limit 0 to x. The reason is derivative operator and integral operator cancel with each other. Then when we substitute the limits here, upper limit, that is t replaced with x. So x sin x minus lower limit is 0. So 0 into sin t, that is 0. That will be getting as x sin x. So x sin x means you can see there option number B is the correct one. So B is the correct option. Dear students, today we have discussed the last 4 questions from exercise 7.10. Hope it is clear for you all. I request all the students to go through the entire exercise 7.10 and also the previous exercise, and also recall the entire formula from this chapter. While practicing, if you have any doubt, please mark it and keep. We will discuss it during the discussion session. Thank you for watching.